Section 15. I want you to go to page 16 in your book, the same as the page on the whiteboard. You are going to read the words and then draw a line to the correct picture. Remember to pause the video while you are working, and when you are finished, you can start the video again. Let's see if you did the page correctly. Put your finger on the first word. What does it say? Yes, hen. Did you find the picture hen? And draw a line from the word to the picture hen. See if you did it correctly. Let's go to the next word. What is the name of this word? Yes, pig. Did you find the picture pig? And draw a line from the word pig to the picture pig. Let's go to the next word. What is this word? Rug. Yes, rug. Did you draw a line from the word rug to the picture rug? See if you did it correctly. Let's go to the next word. What is this word? Yes, pen. Pen. Did you find the picture pen? And draw a line from the word pen to the picture pen. See if you did it correctly. Let's go to the next word. What is this word? Yes, it says mug. Did you find the picture mug? I drink coffee out of a mug. And draw a line from the word mug to the picture mug. Let's go to the next word. What is this word? Yes, tap. Did you find the picture tap? And draw a line from the word tap to the picture. Let's go to the next word. What is this word? Gun. Yes, gun. Did you find the picture of a gun? And draw a line from the word gun to the picture. Let's go to the next word. What is this word? Pot. Yes, it says pot. Did you find the picture of a pot? And draw a line from the word pot to the picture. Let's go to the next word. What is this word? Yes, rat. Did you find the picture of a rat? And draw a line from the word rat to the picture. Let's go to the last word. What is this word? Yes, it says leg. And here is a picture of a leg. Did you draw a line from the word leg to the picture? Very good if you got them all right. Well done. Give yourself a hug and say, I am a star. End of classroom 3. Well done. Give yourself a hug. In classroom 4, we will be making and reading new words and sentences with the sounds we learnt in this classroom. Now go to classroom 4.